32 gang, what's good, man? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video, man. Over here arguing with this guy who never do nothing wrong right here early in the day.
I dropped it a while ago.
This guy dropped my camera, man. He got my lens shaky in the inside, man. Marty, you was officially fired, my boy. Yes, sir. I'm gonna need that nice $4,000.
That's the thing. I don't have that.
He got it.
So one day. One day I'll
pocket check.
One day I got you though.
Where my money at?
One day I definitely got you.
We got my boy Will out here on the ones and twos with the toes out.
You got his
Liv got them toes out over here. We got my girl Jessica in the building. About to get down on the track hawk. And
Andy Cowboys, okay?
Yeah. Go ahead and take your time, Jeff.
Alright.
We ain't got no swirls on there. This the first wash. We about to get the track hawk wash. I gotta drop this off at the dealership. What'd you say? Y'all see how dirty this thing is. We're gonna get it clean though. I'm gonna go get a new license plate so I can drive it too. This one and that one. All I need is the license plate number. I didn't know it was that easy. I already took care of all the other cars so I could drive them legitly. Okay, Jessica, I see you. Yeah, you look alright. I look better though. CJ on 32's whips. Ooh, what that do, Jessica?
I think I look better in it.
Oh, we gonna let the 32 gang decide that. Got the twin over there. That's twin now. Charlie gang parked back there. Another day. Will trying to get this content, man. We're gonna do this content, but I gotta get my content out the way. You feel me? Does that make sense? Still can't find Christopher Keys, guys. Now I gotta wait for a programmer to come to program the key. It's the key fit in the lock and everything. I ain't record that shit because it was just like dead time, and I ain't want to show y'all. But his car giving me the flux. I gotta move it. I gotta get it to where I need it to go as planned. And of course, I can't drive this beauty because even the tire flat and Junior ain't got no opening. I gotta call PC today. I'm gonna update y'all later in the day to see what day we taking this.
Where's the charger at?
They back there.
I don't even know where the charger is. No,
the plugs. No, I failed in the back behind the thing.
Oh, back here?
Yeah. You got it?
Yep. Is this yours, Will? Yeah.
Alright, I'm about to take this to the dealership. Y'all hold the 32 gang shop down real quick. I'll be back in a hot second. Man, I'll be back, bro. It's finna take me 10 minutes. I'ma have them bring me back. Alright. Gotta get shit done today. Tired of playing around. I've been on a mission since I've been home though, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna go buy that super stock too. I don't think I can let that pass me. And plus, man, that 300, bro. He gave me an estimate on it. They taxed finish that motherfucker. But I know that super stock need to be in the fleet. Even though I got a Challenger, but that's like a whole different Challenger right there. That Challenger is for my big rim custom build. And then just having that 1,020 horsepower super stock, man, with everything done pretty much, I can just add my touch to it and keep it. That's coming to the fleet, man. 100. Well, for y'all, it's 130,000. For me, it's 100 something. I can't say the price, but I just think it's a good ass deal. Nah, I don't know. I've seen a lot of y'all in the comment section saying get it, and I don't think I can let that pass me by. You need the keys?
Yeah.
Can I trust you with keys?
Of course.
Or you like your dad losing keys?
Nah.
I still ain't replaced my Benz
I don't
keys.
even got the money to repay it.
I wouldn't even charge you though. I'd just be mad as hell. I ain't gonna lie.
No.
Can't be losing no red keys.
No, the good thing my dad got insurance.
Man, your daddy is full of the S word. I ain't gonna lie
And
to
you're
you.
lucky I'm even washing the car. I got a whole cut right here on my finger.
You got a what?
A cut. I cut the fuck out of my finger.
Y'all see what that say? Trekkie. All right, Jessica,
Alrighty.
let's get it done.
Alright.
Without the swirl marks on the side, please. Hey man, Terry Wash, your ass is officially fired. The 32 gang said fire you. You did bad on the SVJ, my boy. Y'all know I ain't been complaining. I ain't even said nothing. I still got to get the car PPF. They want me to take it to Buffalo Grove now, but man, I don't know, man. I hate switching up going to new people, you know, so I got to figure this shit out quick because I'm going back to Dallas in like 2 weeks. But I'm only staying a week, and then I'm coming back. I gotta go see my kid. I gotta go see Brittany and the baby, you know, and handle some business out there. And I'm about to call Joe Tech and see where the hell the rest of my McLaren pieces at. But anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that like, share, subscribe, comment, click that bell, turn on all post notifications to join the 32 gang. And the only way the 32 gang going is up. All right, guys, we at Hawk Chevy. We at the dealership. Ooh, I see a Rapid Blue back there. It's probably a customer's though. Definitely ain't for sale. Ooh, I need that Rapid Blue. Damn, I'm gonna have to go look at that and see if that's for sale back there. It's a SS, it ain't a ZL1, but oh well, who cares? They taking care of the black wing right now. I'm about to go look at that real quick. Let me see. Is it a customer's or nah? I don't know if it is. It got a stripe on it. Might be, might not be. Let's see. Ooh, and they got Rapid Blue. Probably a customer's. Yep. Man, I love the Camaro in the Rapid Blue, guys. I've been looking. I even take a SS in the Rapid Blue. This boy nasty. It's just the color. I really like this color. Oh, got some gray seats. That's probably why they put the silver striping on here. Got the gray cloth seats, and they got a roof. That Rapid Blue hard. Hardest color the Camaro come in. A lot of cars come in. Love that damn color. They said they got some new Escalades back here too. Look at this guy. Yuli ass. He ain't even call me back. We only got 902 miles on there.
Yeah, 902.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 902. Man, I just seen Yuli going there. What the hell he doing? Wait for him to come out. Yep, shouldn't have these battery problems.
All right. Have you been here before, sir?
Yeah, I've been here millions of times. Alright, we leaving that here. Damn, they got another V in here too. We about to go on the inside. The owner is right there. He said he got an Escalade. We can go on the inside real quick. I need to get the number. Ooh, that double white on white. White just always looks so damn good, guys. This is CT4V. Getting better with them angles. Nasty. And that big boy right here. That marked up boy. No Sirski. Too much. Nice ass truck, guys, but it ain't worth that price. Got the same motor the car got. I just like this because it's a lot of space, so I might just get a regular Escalade again. I need one of them. Me and gang them can get around in. 162 with a markup, you about 210. That's a whole McLaren, Lamborghini. Look at Mandy ass. They look good together. Handy Mandy.
Hey, hi Corey, how are you?
What up? How you doing?
Long time no see. You been
You
good?
good? Yeah.
I'm good. You been good? I see you got some good toys, so you stopped by to take a look.
Yeah, I took my Blackwing to get serviced. The battery keep dying and they got a recall they need to fix.
On your V?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
That's weird.
This one nice. I like this.
Oh, it's open. If you want to look inside.
Yeah, I first day y'all got it.
Oh, you guys got it? You were here once.
Why don't you want this thing?
The markup is too much, man.
I mean, the markup's too much.
Too much for me.
For what I'm asking for that car, you could literally. Are they voiding the warranties on these cars if you flip them? On the
Nah, hell
Escalades?
nah. At Hearst Autoplex in Texas, bro, they got like 5 of them boys there. I've
ones?
recorded them. Escalade Vs, they got like 5 of
Used
them.
ones or new ones?
No, used.
Used,
Yeah.
yeah. They're on
Any
the
mount on
06s. If you flip it,
I got a Z06.
yeah. Did you buy it new?
No, I bought it from Hearst. The same place they got the Escalades.
Okay. Did they?
They
give you
voided.
a warranty
I bought
on
an
it?
extended warranty.
Okay,
I bought their
alright,
warranty.
good.
They void them.
Yeah. Chevy voids the warranties.
I
on
know.
these things, right?
Yep. After 6 months, right? It's been 6 months
It's
since
a
they've
6
been
months
out.
or a year.
A year. Yeah. I'm gonna talk to you when I ain't recording. Hey, where that other Escalades at? The used one. They here or no?
You'd have to. You know Ulysses?
Yeah, I just
He'll
seen
know
him in
where
the
they're
back.
at.
Okay.
Yeah, he'll know
All
where
right.
they're at.
I'm gonna come talk to you.
One of them might not be here, but we can have it here. It's a silver one. If you want this one, how much too much is it?
They told me 50 over.
Yeah. How much is that not too much?
That's too much for me.
Stop.
No, I'm
Stop.
not, bro. That's too much. Why? I pay half.
25?
Yep.
For you?
Yeah. That's good business. Your first C8 owner. How many cars I bought from you?
I know, but you're also rolling up in cars you didn't buy for me too, so I'm a little hurt. You're cheating on me.
I mean, I get them when you got them.
I know.
You know what I do want?
Let me think about that.
I wanna-
Is this what you want though? Is this what you want?
I always wanted the Escalade V. I want the Rapid Blue ZL1 too.
Rapid Blue ZL1.
Yeah, it'll match my Z06 and my Cadillac V.
Those are. I haven't had a Camaro in a year. I got a used dark blue one. I don't have a rapid blue one.
You can't check
Can't check what?
how we was gonna get the other Camaro. I meant the other C8. If it's any Rapid Blue ZL1s out there.
Well, even if I could, I couldn't put my hands on it
Oh, okay.
because they just announced they're doing away with that car.
Right.
Final edition's coming out.
Yeah, the
So-
24.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those things are gonna be like gold.
Let me get in.
Do your thing.
I'll come back and talk to you. All right. Oh, here go the man right here I'm looking for.
Me.
Hey, I need the number, bro. John said he been calling you.
I just got it. Hold on. Text you for it or text him?
I need that number because I can't start Christopher's Camaro up because the programmer ain't working. I need the guy to come program this key. All right, guys, let me chop it up with them real quick. We got an appointment to take the Challenger to get the mid muffler delete, so we're gonna go do that as well today. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just stick around. I'm gonna let y'all know about this Escalade too. Talking about she just had a whole workout.
Yeah.
Everybody can use that. I can use it. Marty can use it.
Oh,
Shit.
that's right.
Everybody can use a workout.
The big on is 346.
I know.
346.
Man,
You put in overtime.
Yeah.
Will, what we looking like over there? Let's see what she did to the Snowhawk. I'm finna investigate that. Ooh, wait, that boy is glowing today. God. Hey. Yep, y'all ain't getting this one. Certain shit to just stay in the fleet, guys. The Snowhawk is irreplaceable. Of course I can make a bag, but I'm straight. This mine right here. Them 2 nabs. Cleaned it just to put it back in a 32 game clubhouse, cause oh yeah, we finally got this damn Mac clean. the seats stay wrapped up. Look at that glow. Put your shit in 4K right now and look at that glow. That boy hard. Man, that boy is hard. Oof. PC went crazy, man. Stop playing. This thing supercharged up right now. It's finna glow so crazy when we put it back in the clubhouse. Oh, we need to take the matching pair out too. Man, that motherfucker busts in. That boy busting. Busting. Twin them, gang.
I didn't get to do the whole special for her.
It's busting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that one clean next, probably tomorrow or something if I'm over here. You wanna back it in? Or the track hawk, yeah. Just put it next to there.
Black.
You ain't finna do shit.
I'm gonna go black. Man, bro. Girls asking me for birthday gifts out of nowhere. I ain't seen them in
Money,
gifts.
money.
I don't know what y'all think this
Hey ladies, if you out there and you watching this video, signed off by CEO himself, 32 Gang, we ain't paying for nothing. Y'all can pay us, but we ain't giving y'all shh. I don't know what's wrong with them. They know not to ask me.
Yeah, no, they know.
I
don't know. I don't know why they think they can ask me, bro.
They be trying to play you.
Yeah.
We ain't going for none of that.
You bless the ones that don't ask.
Yeah, I mean,
That's who I bless, bro.
if you dealing with somebody and y'all dealing with each other, it's cool to get a girl nails or something done.
Yeah.
But these randoms, like Shorty, you got us fucked up.
Man,
You ask me for that, you be instantly going on the block list.
Yep.
Bro, this motherfucker is so hard, bro.
So nasty.
I'm gonna get the sticker tomorrow
See 5 different colors on the car. Yellow.
so I could drive it.
Oh shit.
Nasty, bro.
Hey Jessica.
Yeah, but y'all know little Mexican girls, they be driving trucks. They can drive semi-trucks. They love trucks. Little Mexican ladies be whipping big trucks. Jessica be whipping it. Hey, you should have seen her whipping the dually. She went crazy on the dually. Bro, this bitch is glowing, bro. Look. Ew. Will, when you come back, we gonna shoot a video with all the cars. Appreciate you, Jessica. You got me right. You know what I'm saying? I see 5 million swirls, but it's okay though. Oh shit. I'm on your ass, Jessica. You fired.
I've been fired since earlier. But you rehired.
Your dad don't pay enough.
You don't want the key?
Yeah, I need my key. Give me that. Watch.
Let me get that.
Let me get that.
There's some plastic coming off.
Zah got me talking slurred.
Well, this motherfucker's sparking.
Yeah, she got me lit.
So you see the engine now?
Oh yeah, we gotta go drop this off because the key guy coming for this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Shit, man, I got a lot of stuff going on, guys. Too much stuff.
That's too much sauce.
Should we pull the bins in or leave it out? Just drive my bins, Marty, since the half of your air working, but just drive careful because you know them the bands on there.
Oh, okay.
So everybody can fit in there. Park the baby mama bins right there.
I can leave right there, huh?
The baby mama bins. All right, appreciate you, Jessica. Keep that dog free of them fleas.
I just put her back.
No, gang, you know I'm on your ass. William. Gotta shut this down for a second. We coming back though. Yeah, I ain't finna lock up. Yeah, we about to dip, go drop this car off real quick. I'm finna drop my car off to get the mid muffler delete.
Oh, no.
Yeah, yep. And then I got the dude coming here to make a key for Christopher car. Man, bro, I got so much shit going on. I need to go home and clean up. Gonna have to send Marty to the airport to pick Shorty up. Yes, sir. We got another 32 gang member coming down. So, it's her birthday. We about to turn up, have some fun. William, let's go, William. Yeah, I got him.
I'm coming.
Waiting on Will last. Sparty Marty.
Yeah.
Man, what the boy?
I need the keys.
That's a big boy.
Bag.
I got the keys. I'm finna just drop this off, then we gonna come back, cause dude finna come make that key for Christopher car. Y'all going in my GT. Oh shit, I still ain't get the sticker for that one either, huh? That's alright. Hey Marty. Yeah. Hey, start this up. I'm finna let them hear how it sound with the cold start before we get the muffler delete done.
Start this up?
Yeah. Let y'all hear this boy. That's how it sound. It sound pretty good right now, but I think that mid muffler delete, and I'm gonna see how these valves is. Ooh, okay. Nice and quiet. Rev it a little, Marty. One more time for the one time. One time for the one time. All right, man, get your ass out. You're getting a little too happy now. Finna ram my motor off this bit. All right, I need to give you the Benz key.
Oh, yeah.
As y'all can see, man, it's a lot going on, guys.
You driving too, so we can hear the way it revs different on the street?
I don't think they give a
Oh.
But we might, man. We gonna put Will. Man, tell Will, do not, man, call Will over here. What'd you say?
Yeah, let's have him have this.
Oh, what's that?
That's the stuff.
Oh, okay.
But should we leave it in the bins?
Yeah, just keep it with y'all.
Yeah.
Get Marty the Benz key. I need to get the Benz the oil change too. I was reading, somebody said I never get the car serviced. Well, with the supercars, it's kind of like once a year with them, but when you do get them serviced, it's high. It's like 10,000 plus. So they not due for service. These cars here, I don't like taking to the dealership. I either take them to Sammy's.
I need a key.
I'm looking for it. Don't lose this, my only one, my boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that means you're gonna lose it. This guy. All right, well, we're gonna give y'all some road sounds too, I guess. That's kind of like a good idea. Only gonna be at a muffler sound when we hit it, and then once I pick it up, I'm gonna give y'all some more sounds.
Trying to go. Oh no, it is over here. I'm tripping. I thought we were going to my boy shit. My boy shit's to the left. I'm like, where's this man going? This is my other guy shit too. I hope my boy Rick is here actually today.
What you feel about driving the GT?
Bro, I
How
love
you feel?
it. Bro, what? Dude, you cannot let me have no car like this. Boy, when I get rich, it's up. I'm an active fool, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm I'm gonna total the car the first day. He'd be like, yup, I did what I need to do. Hear that? What you think, lit? It's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Sound now. This is where I come get all my work done at, like all my mid muffler deletes and everything. I've been coming up to them for a long time. I pulled up and said, awesome. Yeah, we're gonna knock this out. We're gonna get this taken care of real fast. Boy. No.
Yes, sir. Is Rick here? Rick ain't here?
Not today. Nothing serious. What do you want us to do with this one?
I called about the new muffler.
Okay.
You said it's only 4:30.
Okay.
You got my number?
Show the cars.
In the back.
So what?
That in the camera. He's gonna sit up here, ain't he?
Are you driving?
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, let me turn my shit off. They be still in these cars. Yes sir, beautiful car. Appreciate it. Alright, we out of here, man. Oh, Marty done jumped in the passenger side. I was gonna let him drive. Oh, okay, I'll drive in. We're gonna let Marty whip the Benz, but hey, that's it, man. We're gonna come back and get this. We're finna get my son car started, get the new keys made, and then we're gonna come back and get this and see how it sounds. I wake up every day, guys, pick this camera up and work, because I like to work, but I'm on the line on hold for somebody. That's why y'all gonna hear that. Matter of fact, let me just cut that off, because we probably ain't gonna answer anyway, so if they call back. But we at the shop, had to come grab this from Charles, the bag man, because I'm getting my shit together. I'm getting it together slowly but surely, guys. And we got parts right here for the Challenger lift, for the 32s. I don't know if they're the control arms. I just got whatever Junior told me to get. I just gotta wait on some other stuff to come still too. Well, shop flow with it. Shop finna close. I guess they going to a car show early today. Everybody fired, closing the shop early. Ooh, 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 right there, big 32s, man. Caught Al's son out on my bike, enjoying himself. Off-road just finished the truck. All right, I think that's them calling me back. I got something smeared on my screen too. I see it right now. Start this thing up. We're gonna hear what's going on. Got the exhaust done. Yes, sir. Your ugly ass up, Mark. Watch that. definitely gonna catch some highway footage of this, but go and let them hear that exhaust again, man. It sounds so good. Alright guys, then we got a super nice aggressive sound. Just what I wanted, just what I was looking for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and order the Borla Aztec exhaust. But I need to get the long tube cook headers. They don't do the headers here, but that's cool. I'm just gonna get them done probably at Sammy when they do the lift. We're gonna get this thumbnail. We're gonna catch y'all in traffic so y'all can hear how it really sound to compare to how it sound before we got the exhaust done.
That was close.
You can smell that.
Yeah, you can smell that for real.
That was definitely close. That would have been. CJ would have been like, yes. He likes stuff like that, y'all. CJ always tells me he hopes I get pulled over or something happens so that he can have contact. I'll be like, bro, really? Shit crazy. Broski outside. Now this right here, the Baba's famous steak and lemonade, is something very serious. You feel me?
What'd you get?
Yep. I ain't trying to get no brain freeze. I got the blue raspberry. Did you like your coconut?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, so we outside. fuck wrong with them, Will? Working.
Where we at, Will? How many minutes? Alright, we got the car back, man. We about to back everything back in the clubhouse. I gotta pull out a car. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna lie, guys. I kind of like my Challenger without the 32s. More doing this build for you guys because I feel how rare the car is now. Man, kind of gonna be hard to chop it up because I got a different vision where I know I can go 26s and go crazy. But I already bought the 32s, so I'm already invested. But I feel like I could have just done a better job if I would have went like 26s or something. But I'm doing this for the game. We gotta have one car in the shop on 32s, and I think I'm gonna get that other Challenger and just keep it. You know what I'm saying? Because this one I'm finna modify heavy. Then I already asked about the Camaro, and they hard to get right now, the Rapid Blue. But as y'all can see, I got my son shit started too. that's it, guys. Pull my blocker in. I'm gonna end this video. I don't know how long it is, but I got some shit that I got going on that y'all gonna catch in the next video. So I'm actually gonna start another video. Got my boy Will out here. He actually leaving tomorrow, so yeah, I'm gonna start my next video, guys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. This your boy CJ on 32s, checking out with another video. I'm out, man.